being a designer and an architect, like one motive is we need something which is pertainable and which is achievable under one roof. We shouldn't take the client to hundreds of places, like we can't run him around for 6 hours in the market. We tend to give them tiles which are better in quality and better in finishes and which can be applied faster than marble. And in the long run, they don't need the support for the maintenance and everything. There's no maintenance in tiles. We just need to clean it up and it's done. For the marble, we need to have a polishing team. It takes around a month to do all the polishings and everything. So we try to avoid that. And like the trends going on in the market, it's all about solid colors or like medium tone colors. Satvario white black finish and book matches, and we tend to go for Moroccan tiles because everyone is in a theme of going, like it's in a broad theme line nowadays. Like Moroccan tiles is a custom made thing. We can fit it in kitchens, we can fit it in bedroom walls, we can fit it in the flooring of the balconies, we can fit it in highlighter walls for the washrooms as well as. And also, like more or lessly, we have tried to change the concept of using granite, and we have tried to shift ourselves into tiles. Like we have used Simpolo, the beige color 2x2 tile, mocha, cappuccino. We have used those in flooring of this tilt as well as flooring for the terraces. So we try to indulge in it because at the end, it's all about the cost and the time saving.
मैं होटल लाइन में पिछले 20 साल से हूँ। मार्बल को मेंटेन करना बड़ा टफ है। उसमें हर रात को हमें घिसाई करनी पड़ती है, जबकि टाइल में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। एक बार साफ़ किया पूरे दिन साफ़ ही रहती है, उसको घिसना नहीं पड़ता। मेरी कुछ जगह पे मैंने पत्थर लगाया हुआ है जो मुझे बहुत तंग कर रहा था, तो मुझे बार बार घिसना पड़ रहा है। उसकी चमक चली जाती है, वो ब्रेक हो जाता है बीच बीच में। तो उसको रिप्लेस करने के बारे में सोचने लगा इन टाइलों को देखने के बाद, क्योंकि आपकी मैंने देखा 15 mm की भी टाइल्स आ रही है जो काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग नज़र आ रही है। वो फुली विट्रीफाइड टाइप है जो नीचे तक घिसेगी भी तो उसी तरह निकलेगी, और फ्लेक्सिबल भी काफ़ी है, जिससे कि उसके जो कॉर्नर्स हैं वो आराम से ऊपर नीचे नहीं होंगे, वो एकदम से पैरेलल रुकाएगी, पत्थर की लुक देगी। तो मुझे लगता है कि हमें टाइल की तरफ ही जाना चाहिए, पत्थर को छोड़ देना चाहिए।
A person who is building his own home generally faces a major challenge in selecting tiles and other finish for their floors and washrooms, and the main challenge is that they can't find all variety, all range in under one roof. So they might select some washroom tiles from one showroom and some from the other showroom and some floor tiles from, because no place has that much of variety which they are offering under one roof. I've been using Simpolo from last 2 years and my experience is nice, very nice.
राजौरी गार्डन अगर हम देखते हैं तो बिगेस्ट मार्बल मार्केट है और पूरा हाईवे पे है, तो इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्ट को इधर आना बहुत इजी है। तो उसको देखते हुए कंपनी ने सबसे पहला शोरूम हमने यहाँ चालू किया है राजौरी गार्डन में। कंपनी का विज़न ये था कि कंपनी के पास जो रेंज है 8x4 से लेके किच डेक हो गया, सागा हो गया, जो अपना अभी हम प्लेटफॉर्म में सप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो वो चीज़ अगर कहीं ना कहीं मार्बल और नेचुरल मार्बल को हम रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं, तो आज जो इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्ट जो आज प्रोडक्ट नेचुरल मार्बल वो यूज़ कर रहे थे, डे बाई डे वो टाइल्स में शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं। उसका जो अगर रीज़न भी यही है कि टाइल्स इजी टू इंस्टॉल भी है, उसमें प्रोक्योरमेंट में चैलेंज नहीं आता है, जहाँ मार्बल्स और ग्रेनाइट के प्रोक्योरमेंट में चैलेंज है। तो आज आर्किटेक्ट उसको ज़्यादा शिफ्ट करे प्रोडक्ट को। दूसरा सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है कि नेचुरल मार्बल और नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट में कहीं ना कहीं कंप्लेन आती है। जो टाइल्स आज उस प्रोडक्ट को उस हिसाब से उसने डेवलप किया है कि वो प्रोडक्ट की जो कंप्लेन है उसको रिजोल्व किया है। तो आज जो एंड कस्टमर हो गया, इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्ट हो गया, वो नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट से टाइल्स में शिफ्ट हो रहा है।
Then in 2017 we ventured into tiles, and that is when we actually started dealing with Simpolo. We were looking for an alternate for granites, and that's where we started selling Simpolo outdoor tiles, and that business has been going on for almost 5 years now. We are happy that we chose Simpolo. Simpolo has been a very good experience for us. It's a great company to be associated with. The management is fantastic. Many people ask us why not some other brand, why only Simpolo. To them, my only answer is that we can get tiles from many other companies as good as Simpolo, maybe not today, maybe tomorrow, but where would we get people like Jeetu Bhai and Bharat Bhai? That is very difficult. Such people are very difficult to find. And it was good that Bharat Bhai came today and for the opening, and he gave us a good compliment that it is not just you who found us, it is our good fortune that we found you. That is Technostone, and we would want this association to grow stronger and for a very long time. This gallery is split into two portions, three rather. One is a basement which is almost 2,100 square feet, where we've kept not so premium tiles. These are the normal tiles which most of the people buy for their homes and offices. On the first floor, which is again 2,100 square feet, these are all, this is the premium section where we keep big format tiles and with different kinds of textures. Whatever new is going to come, we are going to display on the first floor. And on the second floor, we'll have an experience center for architects and interior designers where they would be able to sit and keep all the samples on the table and probably do their design work as well. We are going to give them a software designed bought by Simpolo and being promoted by Simpolo, which is going to help them see how the tile is going to look in a certain area, mix and match. So coupled with that software and our expertise to sell, we should be able to cater to all the walk-ins, architects, builders, interior designers.